Hi all. I've divided this drawing into two stages, stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1 will explain you rough outline, stage 2 main drawing.
Hi, welcome to KCAT's Castle. Just want to show you how to draw a butterfly. As I always tell in my videos, do check my videos. You'll be able to find how I do any drawing. I believe in doodling, so ensure you create a basic shape, basic lines of it. Okay, then only you should go for detailing. Don't conclude for detailing drawing initially. You might commit mistakes initially. It doesn't matter because we are not machines, right? So try to be more real. Try to create your own style. So how you create your own style, don't, yes, see, you can see so many drawings, you can get inspiration, inspire, and don't try to copy that, don't imitate it. Because those videos which you see online might be paused, they have taken some gap to create the details, they have paused multiple times, and they are artists for that. They have decided this drawing to be done, so they know the strokes pretty well. So yes, I'm not saying to every artist or every drawing which you see in online, but no, don't get wrong inspiration, take right inspiration. Try to observe how they are able to do it. So I've done this outline clearly. Hope you can see the drawing. Great. Right, so I'm not completed my shade detailing, outline detailing. I will be completing the left part. I'll also tell you the technique. See, I'm directly drawing this butterfly strokes. Here you might see this drawing is quite easy for you. So, but let me tell you secret behind this. So you'll be able to do. You're able to, yes, you'll be able to find that, yeah, this is quite easy strokes. The strokes are not so complicated. But see, are you getting that feel of, yes, I'm able to do this so easily? Practically my drawings are visible or not is also very important for me to assess. So is my you'll be able to assess your standards, right? Some certain drawings you can do so easily, certain drawings uh, you cannot directly do it. You need some support, you need some guidance, right? Which means that stage is a stage where you feel, yes, this drawing I cannot do it. In spite of telling so many times, you might face that trouble, which means you are coming out of your comfort zone. So don't break there, try to practice more. If you break there, you lose it, you lose entire focus. See, my basic outlining is done. So what I'll do, I'll confidently put my strokes here. See, I'm using B pencil. Okay, now you will see my single strokes, you don't see multiple cuts, because I felt confident of giving my initial strokes. Then I'll go for detailing. Give that inner detailing so clearly. Okay, so make sure, so once you're once you have completed your drawing, you will be feeling confident that, yes, i could do I could do this drawing. And one more point, my students ask me, sir, can I tweak the drawing, can I change my this stroke to that? Not required, because here you're copying, you are seeing something and doing it, right? Which means an artist already done experience is giving his experience strokes in it. Try to copy that, and try to do by your own, so it doesn't come in one go or few practices. It's a lifetime practice. If you really want to spend quality time, if you spend quality time, Do practice more. Don't tempt your work for complete your drawing in a shorter span. Just complete drawing in few strokes and leave it. Try to master that. Try to have that intention to create a best output. It might be a small silly drawing, it can be one stroke or a big stroke, but request you to kindly focus more on detailing so that you'll see a lot of beauty in the drawing.
Great. Do check my channel. There are so many other videos which are there which explains about different techniques, tools where I use. It will really help you. I'll also discuss in my video about very important techniques, the discussion between my master and my students. Please do check my videos, do like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell icon and comment something